Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted notes in Goodnotes in 2026. Did you accidentally delete a note? Don't panic, you can recover it easily in Goodnotes. So let me show you how to do it by following these few example steps. Now before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the application Goodnotes. You can find it in the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. We're just gonna look for the Goodnotes application, and once you find it, you're gonna make sure to install the application from there. Once you install it, you're gonna click on open, and you're gonna make sure to sign in using your accounts. Now once you sign in, you're gonna open the Goodnotes and go to the trash or recently deleted section. For example, imagine I deleted this. I'm gonna select this and I'm gonna delete this document like this. You're gonna select it and delete it. You're gonna click on delete. As you can see, the shared documents can't be deleted, so you're gonna enable, for example, I'm gonna create a new notebook. I'm gonna create a blank. I'm gonna go back here and delete that notebook that I just created. I'm gonna select it. This is the one. I'm gonna click on delete. Now here, you're gonna go to the trash bin in the section here, in the left side section, and you're gonna find it here. As you can see, this is the documents I just deleted. Now once you find the document you deleted, you're gonna select it. As you can see here, you're gonna select the document and you're gonna select the option to recover it. As you can see here, you're gonna click on the document. Let's click on it. It's like this. We're gonna click on recover. As you can see, this is the trash bin with the bar here. We're gonna click on recover, and just like that, it says your document was fully recovered. You're gonna find it in the document section, and that's it. Recovering deleted notes is simple if you act quickly, so use the trash feature to restore your work easily. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.